There are two revolutions going on that we need to take account of. The first is the energy revolution, the energy transition. The world's energy system needs to be totally transformed over the next 35 years. We need to decarbonize our existing energy system by at least 70%, probably 80%, over a 35-year time horizon. That is a process that matters enormously to us as investors. The energy sector consumes over $10 trillion of our clients' capital. It's at least 10% of almost every major asset benchmark. We care deeply about what happens to the energy sector. But there's another revolution going on as well. Investors are seeing rapid growth of assets in strategies which are managed with a high consideration placed on environmental, social, and governance factors. The rise of ESG has been meteoric. Signatories to the United Nations Principle on Responsible Investment have grown from about $10 trillion of assets under management to $70 trillion of assets under management today. In that context, there is a growing presumption from many investors against deploying capital into the oil and gas sector especially. There are real risks that lie ahead for the oil and gas sector, but we do strongly, passionately believe that there is a positive role for this sector to play in the energy transition. But to do so, the sector needs to demonstrate a number of things to us. It needs to demonstrate how its capital spending, the project it is choosing to deploy capital on today, are consistent economically with a Paris-consistent energy system. The gas sector needs to engage with the issue of methane leakages. The right target for this industry to set itself has to be zero. And the industry urgently needs to engage with the issue that there are now more molecules left in the world to develop than there is carbon budget left to spend. We need to see the industry engaging with the underlying governance of the countries in which it chooses to invest. The energy transition is a first-order issue for us as long-term investors. The challenges ahead are enormous, but particularly the gas industry has a really important positive role to play in the transition that lies ahead. And it is imperative that this industry engages with the challenges that are coming from the investor community to show us how it is going to play that role and play it well.